Once you set up basic filters to separate out all excessive things, you will find the number of projects which you are comfortable working on. This won't be tens of thousands of projects like in the beginning, without any filters, but rather tens or hundreds depending on your niche. To avoid wasting time and money, I recommend validating the projects and clients before writing your cover letters. Here are key points you should pay attention to in order to increase your chances of getting a response from the client. First of all, read the task description carefully. If you don't meet the requirements of the project or don't have well-presented portfolios with similar projects, you will appear inferior compared to those who meet the criteria or have similar projects. The client may also include a verification in the task description to ensure that you have actually read the project, or you might ask you to include a specific word at the beginning of your response. If the specialization mentioned in the project matches your own specialization, Upwork may take note of it and place you higher than others. The same applies to the skills mentioned in the project and those listed in your profile. The more matches, the better. Pay attention to the client's hire rate, which indicates how many of their projects resulted in hires. The higher their hire rate, the better. Take note of the client's average rate and how much they have paid for similar tasks in the past. If a client typically pays $15 per hour, it's unlikely they will pay you $35. Also pay special attention to reviews. All negative reviews are left for a reason. Let me explain this point in more detail. Freelancers usually inflate the client's rating. If the project as a whole went well and there is a likelihood of receiving more orders from this client, they will give the client a 5-star rating and leave a positive review. Therefore, when you see 1 or 2 stars and a negative review, it is not just a minor issue. It signifies a negative experience. If there are several such negative reviews, it is better to steer clear of what client. You may also find the client's name or the company's name in the reviews, which can help you write a more personalized proposals as well.